Daniel Haqiqat Jew has actually defeated Haris Sultan in a debate of topic human rights and Islam. Although I do not like Daniel Haqiqat Jew very much, but he has totally destroyed Haris Sultan in this debate. And what I came to realize that these ex-Muslims are not honest people. They are just here to insult Islam. I don't know what they get uh, from insulting Islam, because if they have left the Islam, they have all the life in front of them. They can just go and enjoy. But they are still obsessed about Islam. And I feel that they have not left Islam, actually if Islam has left them. Because if you watch this debate, you will see that he is always dodging the question asked by Daniel Haqiqat Jew. And even agnostics and atheists in his own channel acknowledges that Haris Sultan was unprepared and he was destroyed and he was defeated. I feel that this is the plan of Allah. As Allah says in the Quran, Makrullahu Allahu khairul makirin. That they planned and plotted and Allah also planned. Allah is the best of planners. That they think that bringing these Muslim apologists, they will destroy Islam or they will ruin the image of Islam. Actually, they are proving Islam. These ex-Muslims are used as a tool to prove that Islam is a true religion. And nobody can destroy Islam. This is not an intellectual argument, but this is not an emotional or biased argument, but this is something which is testified by the facts that Islam is the most criticized, the most abused religion on the face of earth, and yet it thrives like anything. In each era, it just wins. Let's see by who will Haris Sultan be humiliated the next time.